Joe Romero now on the release from Cardinals. That's the 1.30 out. Romero. Opponents are hitting only 196 on that. Now that's 180. They do not have a single extra base hit against Joe Romero.
Back over here.
I mean, you can.
You're at the bottom of the season.
I don't think anyone's gonna fight you. I don't think there's anyone out here to fight you. I don't think there's anyone out here to fight you.
The high slide is up the zone.
Doesn't like your window.
What?
Doesn't like your window. No, it's going in the window. I mean this window. It's like not focusing. Oh, I thought the sign was a white. That was like fun.
Always a perfect combination. And then personally, you know me, I'm getting the 4 count. I want as much chicken as possible. I'm that guy. Whenever I get them, whether it be lunch or for dinner, in my household, it's always a winner.
Order the chicken strips on the Chick-fil-A app today. Real customer, pay for the testimonial.
The West heads east on Monday, June 17th and Tuesday, June 18th, both at 6:40, and Wednesday, June 19th at 1:05. When the Padres visit the Phillies at CDT Bank Park. Get tickets now at Phillies.com. Phillies baseball, sports radio 94 WIP.
Nolan Gorman had another 2-run home run in the 3rd inning by Alec Burleson, and that's 4 runs for the Cardinals. Phillies got to the bottom of the second to help with the second.
I saw that one too.
Up there.
Cardinals, and they got 2 more in the bottom of the 5th with the help of, well, there was 1 error in the 3rd, 2nd inning, 2 in the 5th inning. Helped account for 4 running runs for the Phillies. 4-4 ball game. BTW. Ryan Kirkland is on, I believe, here in 7th. Scotty. He's on. The order for the Cardinals. Scotty, 1-2 to that. Pitch, swing and miss. Striking ball there. Clippers 1-0, 1.40. 14 opponent's average. That's a little bit better than that for 1-1. Check the swing, strike ball. And it's 1-2.
That was not very far away.
I was looking the wrong way.
Holy crap, that was like right over the hill.
The pitch.
Swing and miss, stepping around. Good work for Orion Kirkman. Cincinnati. That's how the 7th begins. It'll bring up Mason Wynn, who's had a good night at the plate, but a not so good night in the field. His misses you back in second inning was huge in this one.
The pitch. Swing and a foul at the plate. It's been on base twice. Scored both times.
Yeah.
And the third time up, smoked the ball. But has to stop right out for a minute. It was a baggy catch. 0-1. That's a straight call. Fastball down the middle. When he made his debut last August, putting up decent numbers in AAA, 88 average pitch. Swung on fouled back. They had a inkling he could play defensively already at the big league level. His arm is as good as you've seen in a while. Shortstop for a young player. 0-2. And it's fouled away, but he's really impressed with that.
And a rocket for an arm.
Triggering the 0-2. Now ball hit the third. 2-0 ball.
Oh my gosh.
That'll bring about a Curtis who was tied to be on the board. And run down the third inning. That was 6th of the year. Cardinals have lost